we got our Maple Box Kids doll today. This was a Kickstarter program that I had invested in 2 or 3 years ago, and I just wanted to show you what the Maple Box Kids are and the dolls that they produce. So this is her first doll, Joyful Jenny, and this is Jenny. You want to get Jenny for me? And you can see that she has beautiful hair and joints that move. Her hand moves.
Super wild.
Super wild.
And then there's this outfit here. It's a pretty blueberry shirt and a little tiny jumper.
Jumper overalls, yes. Yep. So you can see she has moving knees, cute little cowboy boots.
But you can't force off the boots.
Yep, you have to be careful with her. But in addition to Jenny and her clothes, we have
our book, our little book. It's of what happened to her for her life story.
And it's about finding joy, I bet, isn't it? So it tells her story.
Yeah. And then under here, there's a little craft.
So it looks like you can put this flower together and paintbrush and everything inside here. The Maple Box dolls.
Then there's this. I have no idea what it is.
Okay. Just some of the marketing and the packaging.
And then there's this.
Oh, there's a recipe here for campfire Texas toast pizza. And a monthly bucket list of things to do this summertime. And it looks like a magnet. These are some great things that we can do together, isn't it?
Yep.
And it looks like there is a charm bracelet. Look, what's on your charm bracelet?
A cow.
A cow. And so I believe when they release other dolls, there will be additional charms to go on your charm bracelet. And
by the way, if you guys notice there's the cow.
There's the cow on the book, you're right. And then to encourage conversation, we have these chatterbox cards. So you can ask your child things like this. Would you rather have purple hair or purple feet? Which would you rather have?
Purple hair!
All right. So I am just very, very pleased. Definitely worth the wait. And I look forward to more dolls from Maple Box Kids. So thank you very much.